Stop seeking approval of other people. Stop seeking validation. Because the more you seek it, the less you get it. I mean, look at all the confident people. They rarely seek approval. They don't care what people think about them. Now, approval-seeking behavior is normal to a certain extent. Otherwise, we wouldn't dress the way we dress. We wouldn't speak the way we speak, and we wouldn't do things we do. Now, the problem happens when every morning you wake up and every single step you take during the day is impacted by this validation-seeking behavior. And that's a big problem because you start comparing yourself to other people. You are constantly looking around at your reference group, at your social circle, and you are thinking, am I accepted by others? And obviously, this is not very confident. Confident people have internal frame of reference. They don't compare themselves to other people. You will always find somebody who is better than you. Instead, you should compare yourself to yourself. So take a step back, close your eyes, and look back at your progress. Ask yourself, what was your starting point? What progress have you made? Now, no matter how great you are, no matter, you could be a person helping thousands of people around the world, it doesn't matter. Somebody will love you, somebody will not like you, and somebody will hate you. Now consider this example, okay? Imagine that I took you to a department store in New York City, and I gathered 100 random people. Different gender, different age group, okay? Total mix. And I told each one of them to enter the same room with you and have a 10-second conversation. Wouldn't be even a conversation. Would be just a quick chat like, how are you doing? My name is, boom, that's it. And then later on, I would speak to every single person individually and I would ask them, what do you think about that person? Like, honestly, what do you think about them? And the majority would say, I can't really judge him. I don't know him. We just spoke for 10 seconds. Some people would like you, and they can't really explain it. Maybe it's because you smiled. Maybe it's because the eye contact. Maybe there was some sort of chemistry. But they can't really explain it consciously. But some people, unfortunately, wouldn't like you, maybe even hate you. And they can't explain it. Because perhaps your face reminds them of somebody they hated back at school. Maybe your face or your smile reminds them of their principal from the kindergarten, for example, the guy they hated. And suddenly all these bad emotions just came back. So consider this, think about it, and accept this state of affairs. Accept that no matter what you do, somebody will not like you. And by the way, even if you are a person who contributed his life to the greater good, changed the society, served the humanity, you will still not escape the negative judgment. I mean, think about Mother Teresa. When you Google Mother Teresa, you will see some blogs that were designed to write articles explaining why she wasn't so good, why, she was a bad person. Some people claim that she did all these great things just to get fame, to be in the history. And obviously, I hope that you and we both know that this is not the case, right? But still, there are some people who think like this. Now, ask yourself this question. If there are people who disapprove of Mother Teresa, if there are people who hate Mother Teresa, who am I? Who are you to expect the approval of other people all the time? Now, you got to consider one thing. How you think about yourself impacts your external characteristics, okay? And it's very connected to approval-seeking behavior. Because if you're confident, you don't seek approval on every single step in your life, then these thoughts will impact your physiology. They will impact your external characteristics. Because if you have positive thoughts, if you believe in yourself, your brain will send some sort of signal to your body, okay? You will change your posture, you will stop slouching, you will be standing like this because you believe in yourself and your brain sends these signals to your body. And that's why it's so important to eliminate this approval-seeking behavior. And in this course, I'm going to show you many different exercises that will lead you to this.